What is up, YouTube? Today we're out here on the JP again. So I actually sent this tune off, my ECU off to Corey up at JP Racing. Got him to tweak the tune a little bit after I did my Solus impeller. So right now it's really a stage 1 plus tune, I guess is what you would call it. Just kind of with the aggressive throttle response and timing and just acceleration. So it doesn't cavitate as much as it was. Got something on the camera. So obviously we're gonna check that out, see what kind of speed we can get. A little cool out, it's already like 75 degrees up here. Air's a little cool, water temp's decent, but nothing like that fall weather where I can get some really good numbers. Just ran the FX, got some good numbers out of it. Obviously the difference, you can tell this one has an intake, catch can, it has a Riva intake grade, which it's really, that's not really a top speed thing, it's more of a rough water speed. And then obviously I just did the 13/18 impeller, or even I got some more stuff on the way coming for it. So let's get after it. As y'all can see, I got it run 82. Normally it would hold around 80 to 81. It would touch 82, but it wouldn't hold 82 like that. So I mean, tell a little bit of a difference. The main difference is obviously that throttle response is insane. And then obviously I'm not running the seat right now, get a little bit better airflow. It chops a little bit, it's hopping a lot. It's a little windy out here, it's not glass. But other than that, I think we can get it at 83 with a little bit less gas and a little bit colder weather coming in the fall or in winter time. So we'll see what we can get. But other than that, a lot different compared to throttle response, top speed. I'll say I got 1 mile per hour out of it. So that's what the impeller did with me with a stage 1. Obviously, if I want to go to a stage 2, I got to do the valve train upgrade and a little bit more stuff. So, but we'll see what we can get. So hope y'all enjoyed. Thanks for watching.